Hi, I am having Bose SoundLink Micro portable speaker. I bought it from Bose showroom. So it is also available in Amazon. I'll mention the link below. Mm, Let me check the box. Actually, kept uh, it's, uh, they kept a silicon strap, and it's a waterproof. It's not a water resistance. It's a waterproof and rugged, and it can pair two Bose speakers at a time. So it can be act as a stereo speaker and a speaker phone, and backup of 6 hours battery. Okay, so that's it. Let me open that. So this is the speaker. It's very portable. It's in the size of palm only, and in the back they kept some strap. This I we can keep it in belt, and weight is not that much. And they provided a microphone, power button, Bluetooth, micro USB. You can able to see power button, Bluetooth, and micro USB. And here having three buttons: volume increase, volume decrease, and this is the part of the speaker. That's it. And let me check what are the accessories they provided. See, they provided one micro USB cable, and they provided manual. So we can register this product to the Bose. So warranty is there. And this is a manual. So for this having application is there, Bose Connect mobile application. That's it. Now we will quickly check the speaker. So to power on, just press that power button. So they provided battery level also in the LED. So here Bluetooth button is there. So we will connect using Bluetooth. So L is home by default. So it is connecting. So Bluetooth pairing happened. Yeah, it's now connected. So directly I will play one song. See, I kept full volume. There is no vibration on the speaker. If you compare to other speaker, if you kept full sound, some vibration will be there. That is not at all visible in that speaker. Very good. So I play it again. So while taking hand, there is no vibration at all. I can't feel any vibration of playing music. So still there is no compromise on sound quality. Excellent bass effect and very clarity in voice. It's really awesome. So here they provided volume decrease and volume increase, and apart from that, in the center there is a multifunction button. So if you press one time, it will be act as a play and pause.
Cercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso.
So it will do play and pause. If you do double tap, it will do forward. If you want to forward that song, you can it will do forward. And if you do triple tap, it will go back to next song. It will go back. Hi, hi, hi. Can you play a song? So if you press that center button, it will listen. I'm long. Can you play a song?
All right.
So it can recognize voice. You can play a song using your command, and apart from that, they provided one mobile app. I will install that app. Just to go to Play Store. Just go to Play Store. Type Bose Connect. Then install that app. Just open that application. So agree the terms and conditions. So it is asking for some permissions. Now we already connect the speaker with Bluetooth. Now application automatically identifies that Bose speaker. Just I have to drag down to connect. Yeah, it's connecting. So we got some settings. So we can play the song here itself, and you can control the volume, and you can set the name for the speaker. Go to settings. If you want to enable the voice prompt, you can enable that. So it will tell whenever you connect a new Bluetooth device what is the device it is connected, and it also tells what is the battery percentage, and you can change the name of this device. And if you have two Bose device, you can pair it at the same time, and you can play it as a stereo speaker. So it can be act as a left and right. So it is a nice feature, and they kept us party mode. So this is the application, and using that application we can update the firmware of the device also. So it is updating now, preparing product update. So no need to update separately. Through the mobile application we can update. And apart from that, they provided a strip to connect to the bag. It won't slippery, and it has fell down feature. If you drop down from long distance also, nothing will happen. And other thing is, it is a waterproof up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. That's it. So it's worth for the price. I will mention the link below. You can check it in Amazon. Thank you all.